Priya from the team Sparrow. This is Feature Friday, where we unpack what's new, what's better, and what's built for developers like you. So let's dive in with the first question. Can you please introduce yourself and the project you're working on?
So I'm Anmol Kushwa. I'm one of the core member of Sparrow team. So the feature that we are going to discuss today is dynamic expression. So dynamic expression is very important when it comes to test flow. So we'll be talking about that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's move on to the next question. Can you give us a quick overview of the feature that we're discussing today?
So the feature that we are discussing today is dynamic expression. What happens is dynamic expression come to existence when developers want to call multiple APIs and connect them like a flow. And when this was when we come up with test flow, there were many issues that the developers were facing. Our users were facing, where they had to manually copy and paste everything and to the next response or request that they were making. So we came up with dynamic expression.
So how did this idea originate?
So as I mentioned that we have a very good community feedback feature, and we take feedbacks every now and then from our users. So in that we notice that in this particular test flow thing, that people were manually copy or pasting things, or either they were trying to make some adjustments to it. So we thought that we should minimize this gap and come up with the feature that can help them.
Okay, got it. That was amazing. So let's move on to the next question. What was the one thing that you learned or enjoyed while working on this feature?
So the overall process of just making the feature and making something which didn't exist previously was very nice, but we wanted the flow to look like there is no hustle for developers, like it is just like smooth and there is no hard work that they have to put in. So that's why we came up with this, and I really enjoyed working on it.
Okay, amazing. So are there any improvements or iterations already planned?
Yeah, there are actually many iterations that are planned, but for example, that we have expression debugging. We also have users can define their functions and they can handle the errors. So these are few things that will be coming up and many more.
Okay. It was amazing talking to you, Anmol. So guys, please like, subscribe and share, and don't forget to explore Sparrow.
Thank you.
Thank you.